Hi everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to change the major currencies for the Contacts plugin. Please note that the Contacts plugin is required for some other plugins to be able to work. For example, the help desk, the finances, the invoices, etc. So these currencies are also used in these plugins too. So you have to change it into the CRM or Contacts plugin settings, so it will be applied over the other ones too. So to do it, you have to go into the administration menu here on the top. Afterwards, scroll down and find the money option. And here, when you come, you will see default currency and major currencies. So this is the way. You have to add it with commas here and then select it from here, a default one. So here are some other options that you could also change. This is for disable the taxes, default tax value, tax type, etc. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope it was good and helpful for you, and see you into the next ones. Bye bye for now.